What's up, YouTube? It's Dice. I'm just joking. What up, YouTube? It's Dice Hawk here. Today we are clean. We, have to see from my last bank video, kind of lost it all, and that's what I have left. So now we're gonna. Now he's gonna bet 21 trill on me for a 42 trill pot. Because what I did is I took all that. That's about like there to there to there to there. Everything but the cash, I guess. What I'm trying to say is 7 trill, and I times 2 it, and then I got 28 trill. 2 dot trippy. I guess he wants to play it safe and come here. Dice. Shit. I'm only doing BJ. Yeah. What? Why? Fuck. Every time we do 55, we lose. Bad luck. Well, I'm bad. Pretty much, boys, we just won a 42 trill pot.
Be the one that set the West in flames, and I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verses? Dude, it's the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that stock.
Did he win? Which one rolled 38? 45.
Spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer. He's hot, found him in Fort Myers.
He has a trade 42 teal. Okay. So guys, this is really scary because I just lost 100 trill. If I can come back, that's so amazing. Alright, I'll pause doing trades. Alright, Buddy had decided to come bet with some cash because he tried to bet items. I didn't want to. He said 10 trill. Oh, there we go. Alright, 20p pot. DJ. Oh, come on, white. DJ? Okay. I should let him do 55. Oh, fuck. Wow, I'm still up on him. Give him. Not good the way I planned. He's probably just gonna clean me. Why would he do, like, I just said times 2. Nah, fuck, why didn't you do 55? Come on, I need over 70. Yes! Bank made. Alright, boys, we're out. Guys, so I decided to fucking YOLO. 20,000.
Be the one that set the West in flames, and I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verses? Dude, it's the truth. Everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that stuff. 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember.
Oh, I fired it.
He's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer. He's hot, found him in Fort Myers with top of the fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patient.
Oh, god damn it. Cactus. So pretty much we made bank and we lost bank. So pretty much, yeah, it's not that good of a time. I mean, this guy fucking just pooped on me. But you know what? I don't even care. He's gonna roll low, then he's gonna roll high, I'm gonna lose. Watch, you can roll out. Nothing over 60. Or not. If he rolls a fucking 100, I swear to God. Come on, no. Yes. That was really lucky. I guess my logic was wrong, but I mean, only 3,000 bad. Do some booty. Now bet on me. Some booty. Just boom. 6, 3,000. I'm gonna say. Shit. It's like, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, let's see. Patience. I don't know why you didn't do it. 5 to 40 bill. So look. 3,000. 1,500. And boom. That's like Pioneer with a helper. Boom and 1,000. Roll 80 plus. If I could do, sometimes you can win if you stay at that low. I need 51 and under. Fuck me low. Oh, that was my roll. Alright, 63. No, yeah, 63. I'll stay. I always stay at 60s because you have more of a chance of winning. 73. Stay. Oh, stay. Come on, don't roll 90. He's gonna roll 90. I quit. Come on, bitch, roll. I didn't. Ugh, fuck. 80. Oh, fuck it. Alright, boys. We're gonna rebuild, boys. So, fucking, we're just gonna get cleaned real fast. I don't even give a fuck. I don't give a shit. If I'm scale to 1 to give a shit, it's about a 0. Actually, I kind of care. But, let's see if he'll trade real. Oh, it's better. Let's see if I would have won that. Let's see if we can win. Oh, fuck. He just won. The other guy, I would have won that. Can he host this? Let's see. Let's see if he accepts. If he doesn't, I'm just gonna. Oh. Come on. Yeah, whatever. Ugh, we're so silent at the moment. Fuck! I quit. That's the end of this video, boys. Oh. 52. Yes, we won! That's 80 trill pot 1, boy! That was so gay. I don't know why I did that. Lol. But, we are still down around 20 trill. Actually, no, up from today's profits, but from what I had, we're down 20 trill. Hopefully this guy pays in items. I mean, not items. Yeah, that's good. Alright, guys, that's the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, and all that shenanigans. Dice Hulk's out. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dice Hulk here.
Hey Sean. What?
130 trill pot. Yeah.
If you do not continuously roll, I will fuck you up if you do like last time.
Okay, yeah, 1 sec. I'll roll right away.
Like
I'll roll right away.
I'm not going to bet on you anymore if you do that.
Okay.
Okay?
130 trill blackjack.
Yes.
Alright. Check. Is my dice in my inventory? Yeah. Are you on CC 9?
Yes.
Alright. 65 trill pot, BJ. 58 hit, say.
Hit.
Yes! 165 trill, boys! Yes! Yes! That was so gay. He's trading me again. Fuck. I'm not doing no more than 100 trill. Another. I can't do that.
You can, you just won, you can.
Alright, boys, we're going in again, I guess. This is how Pie Man queens me every time. Blackjack?
Yes.
21.
21. Hit.
Yes! Alright, boys. We are out of here.
Your turn to bet.
I'm not betting anymore. I'm fucking down. I'm not getting queen again.